Now then, so Friday afternoon, and I'm just about to paint some bike bits, and I just want to show you this paint gun. So this is a gun, and it's a devilbiss GTI prolite, but it's not. It's actually a cheap Chinese copy. Well, I say a cheap Chinese copy, it's actually really well made, and it's actually a really good gun. So I just thought I'd show you it. I'm about to paint some bits. We'll see how this gun performs. So I've got some Yamaha blue here, as I'm painting a DT125R, or a normal, it might be a DT125LC actually. It's not one of mine, it's one for a customer. So we'll get it through this strainer. It's a straight 2K blue, so it's not going to be lacquered, this one. It's quite thick paint, although I've had it a while. It's probably gone a bit thicker because it's been sat. I have put a bit more thinners in it to try and thin it down a bit. We'll just have to see how we get on. Right, so we've got these bits all painted. Let's have a look. Look at that. Proper nice finish on that. So I've given these 2 coats. In fact, the tanks had 3 coats, because when I first put the paint on, the paint was actually a bit too thick. So what I did was I went back into the back room, emptied the paint out the gun, I thinned it down, and then I put it back into the gun through a strainer. I've applied 2 more coats, 10 minutes in between, and as you can see, absolute mint finish on that. All these other bits, front mudguard. Get a finish on that. Absolutely mint. That there, gleaming. So there's a few little bits in there, but they'll polish out. They're not even going to need flattening off. They'll just polish. To be honest, you could put these straight on the bike, and they're going to be better than most. To be honest. So I've got some decals to go in the tank. Once that's gone off, I'll get them decals on. I'll probably leave it a day or two before I put them decals on. There's some black to go on these panels, so I think there's a bit of black to go on there, bit of black to go on there. Same on this panel here, and on this one here, I think there's a little bit of black to go on there. But yeah, mint, absolutely mint. So again, that's the gun there. Devilbiss GTI Prolite rip-off. It's a rip-off, not the real thing. I've had a look on eBay, 72 quid. Absolutely mint. Sprays itself. Just pull the trigger and it gives you that amazing finish. Right, I'm off. Little video for you there. Friday night, I'm going to clean my gun. I'm going to get wrapped up because it's steak night. So I'm going to have my steak with my missus and a few beers, and I'll see you in the next video.